What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Roy, and I'm back with another video. Today, man, I'm just gonna be doing a little cleaning on Big Black, and also giving you guys a walk around on it, show you some of the mods, the upgrades, or whatever I have on it. I know that I hadn't did an official walk around on my own vehicle, so today will be that day. I'll do it on my truck. Before I show you guys the truck, I'm gonna warn you that it's not show truck ready or whatever. It's just a clean truck. I did it the way I wanted it, and I'm not done with it yet. Still have to do some paint corrections. My wheels are chipped. I've curved them a couple of times. My wife has curved them. You know, the few times I let her drive it with these wheels on it. So it has to have some corrections done, but first I'm gonna wash it off because it's filthy. And after I wash it, I'll do a walk around. Just let you guys see what it looks like. Alright guys, here's Big Black. Somewhat cleaned up, man. I didn't armor all the tires and then just gave it a quick wiping. Gotta polish it. I gotta buff it out because the water spots are terrible on it. But yeah, I added the Morimoto headlights on it. Man, I love those things. The front of this truck was the worst part of it to me. You know, it had gotten outdated, and I was really thinking about selling it or trading it in to get a newer model truck. But after adding these headlights and changing my grill up, my grill's been in there, but you know, after doing what I done to the front of it, I love the truck again, man. You know, the headlights are kind of expensive. They're $1,600 for the headlights. But hey, 16 beats 60, 70,000 for another truck. So yeah. Like I said, man, I'm not gonna show you guys the interior because the truck has been neglected lately. I haven't been driving it or nothing. And it's been pretty much like a little storage bin for me. Just been throwing any and everything in it, so the interior needs cleaning. Give y'all kind of a peek though. You know, has 4 TVs in it, 2 12s. You got all the creature comforts, man. Heated, cool seats, heated steering wheel. Truck is loaded. But yeah, man, I just wanted to give y'all a quick walk around of it. See what y'all think about it. I've been showing everybody else's vehicle and not really showing my own. But I'll do a more in-depth walk around whenever I get it buffed out and get my wheels fixed, man. They curved up pretty bad. Partner gonna repair all that for me, get them looking good again, and I get my interior cleaned out, truck all buffed up. I'll walk y'all around it. So don't go too hard on me in the comments talking about my truck trash and it's garbage or whatever, because I know it ain't garbage. Might not be the finest thing on the net, but hey, I ain't shooting for that. It does have a roof in it. It does have a roof in it, man. Gotta tilt the hat back whenever you pull out on these bars. Yeah, man. But like I said, just a quick walk around, man. That's good. Alright. Here it is at night, man. Y'all guys see the underglow kit. The headlights on. Well, off. The flash is on. That's why I love these lights, man. I'm gonna get the sequential lights for the mirrors also. Gotta get those ordered. Yeah, it's a night view, man. Big Black ain't all that, but it's my baby though. Y'all boys remember the Ram fam? Y'all know what I'm talking about.